In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks in ClickUp. ClickUp is an incredibly powerful project management tool designed to help you and your team stay organized and productive. Whether you're managing deadlines, delegating responsibilities, or tracking progress, assigning tasks is one of the most essential steps to ensure everyone knows what they need to work on. If you're new to ClickUp, or if you're looking for a quick refresher, stick with me as I guide you through the process step by step. And by the way, if you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. All right, let's dive in. First, open your browser and head over to www.clickup.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in to your ClickUp account. You can do this by entering your email address and password, or by using a connected account like Google. Once you're logged in, you might be prompted to select the workspace where your team's projects are located. Simply choose the appropriate one to continue. Now that you're on the home page, take a look at the left sidebar. This is your main navigation area in ClickUp. From here, locate the space that contains the work you want to manage. Spaces in ClickUp are like dedicated areas for different teams or departments, so just click on the space you need to access. Once you're in the space, navigate to the folder or list that holds the tasks you're working with. If you're not sure, a list is essentially where tasks are grouped together under a specific category or project. Click on the list to open it, and now you can view all the tasks within that group. Next, find the specific task you want to update. Look through the list until you spot it, and then click on the task to open its details. This will bring up a panel where you can see all the information related to that task. At the top of the Task Details panel, locate the area labeled Assignees. This is where you can see who is currently assigned to the task. To make changes, click on the Assignees area. This will open a selector where you can assign team members to the task. From here, simply choose the person or people you'd like to assign. You'll see a list of your team members. Just click on the names you want to add. If you need to remove someone who's already assigned, you can click their name again to deselect them. Once you've made your changes, there's no need to worry about saving manually. ClickUp automatically saves everything for you. Double check that the updated list of assignees is displayed correctly, and that's it. You've successfully assigned your task. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.